आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, welcome. The question states the volume of a certain rectangular solid is 12x. So we have the volume as 12x. If the dimension of the solid are the integers x, y and z. So we know that x, y and z are integers because it has been given to us in the question. What is the greatest possible value of z? And we need to find the greatest value of z. So for certain rectangular solid, now we know that for rectangular solids, the formula for volume is equals to length into breadth into height. This is the formula, right? So the volume of any rectangular solid can be determined by length into breadth into height of that particular solid. And here we have been given the sides as, or the dimensions as, x, y and z. So we can say x into y into z is equals to volume, because they are the length, breadth and height, and since we don't know their values, we don't know exactly what is length, what is breadth, but their multiplication is going to give us the volume. Also in the question it is given that the volume is 12x. So this is equal to 12x because it is nothing but volume. Now this x and this x is cancelled out, so what remains is y into z is equals to 12. And according to the question, we need to find the maximum value of z. Also we know that x, y and z, all the three belong to integers. Or I can say that x, y and z all are integers. And since they are dimension or length of something, they can only be positive, or x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, also z is greater than 0. Because they are the length of the side or the dimension of the solid. So they cannot attain 0 or negative value, because then it is not possible to make a solid, right? So using this concept, we can say that the minimum value of y being an integer and being greater than 0 is 1. Because 1 is the smallest integer which is greater than 0. Because even -1, -2 are also integers. So we can say that if we substitute y with 1, this become into z is equals to 12, or we can say z is equals to 12. Now, why did we substitute the value of y as 1? Because when two things are multiplied together, right? So if we want to get the maximum from one thing, we need to minimize the other. Or we can say that if there is a into b is equal to c, which is c a constant, then if we want to find the maximum value of b, we need to keep a to its lowest value in order to find the maximum value of b. That means their multiplication will remain constant. Similarly here, the multiplication remains 12 and the minimum value of y comes out to be 1. So corresponding to that, the value of z comes out to be 12. And upon checking with the options, we see that this matches with option B, which is the correct answer. So the greatest possible value of z is 12, which is option B, when the volume given to us is 12x and the three sides are x, y and z. That is it guys. Thank you for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।